Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to design with Figma. Please note that this is the very basic of Figma and I would recommend you mess around with all the different settings that Figma has to offer. To begin, go to the Figma website and sign up. Once you have signed up, click on New Design File and now you'll be brought to the page where you can create your own design. As I said at the beginning, this is just a very simple tutorial on how to create a very simple design. I would recommend you spend some time messing with what Figma has to offer so you can fully understand how Figma fully works. Okay, to begin, what I found that helps a lot to get a visualization of a certain screen is to use the assets. These assets are fully customizable in terms of what shows on the screen. I will select the action screen on iPhone as an example. Here we can see what looks like a multi-choice selection screen. We can change everything on this screen. For example, we can change the text by clicking it until the text is highlighted. There may be times where you need to change the font, so just change the font to whatever you want to use. And then you can change whatever is in the box. You can change the color of the text by clicking on the box until it's highlighted and coming here to the selection colors and changing the color. We can also completely change what's showing on the screen by clicking until it's highlighted, and on the right side where it says action sheet, you click back and it shows everything that you can put. For example, we can change it now to a notification, like so. The possibilities with Figma are completely endless, and like I said, this is just a very basic video and I would recommend you spend some time to fully understand what you are capable of doing with Figma. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.